This is Batman. Mommy, what's this?
Her name is, what is it, Quinn something?
Harley Quinn.
Harley Quinn. Come on, Bash.
What's this?
Come on, we're gonna go see more.
Oh, look.
What is that? Don't, be careful, careful.
Look. What is this?
A ghost.
A goat.
Yeah.
Look.
It's a Halloween bag.
Look.
Yep.
Look. And Mickey Mouse.
Mickey.
And Spider-Man. And Little Pony. And look. This. And Elsa and Anna. What's this?
Tinkerbell. Damn, he know My Little Pony too. He know all of them. Bash, look at this one. Look. Who's that?
Paw Patrol. What's this?
Power Rangers.
And it's Batman
Yep.
and Spider-Man.
Look at this.
Ooh, wow.
What's that? You like
A
that?
bucket. A bucket.
Yeah, look at they got Mickey Mouse too.
First.
And look, they got Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol and SpongeBob.
Yep. All right, let's go see what costumes they have.
It's that.
Those are for girls.
And
Nope, let's go this way.
look.
Where's Daddy? This way.
So cool. So cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah. Pumpkin. Mine.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, be gentle. Gentle touches.
Look.
Gentle. All right, come this way. Look. Leave it there.
Mine, what's this?
That's a skeleton.
Mommy. I like skeleton.
You like skeleton?
Yeah. Look, bucket.
Yeah.
Look, bucket. I like this. A big one.
You like the big one?
And this one. Big one.
What's that?
Hello. Mine is back. Whoa! We talk.
It does. Be gentle. Hey, be gentle, okay? Hi. Good, how are you? No, be gentle. Oh my God. Yeah, but you can't, listen to me. You can't touch it, it's gonna fall. Yeah, we're trying to make it to his costumes.